Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with an awesome detox smoothie for you today. Now I'm going to show you how to detox your body with beets, carrots, and apples. And this is a wonderful detoxifying smoothie. And this is what's going to help you to get rid of those toxins out of your body. This is why it's important to detox your body. What this recipe is going to do for you, it's going to lower your blood pressure. It's going to improve your exercise stamina. Okay, it's also going to improve your muscle power, especially in people with heart failure. This is also going to slow the progress of your dementia. It's going to help to maintain your healthy weight, and it's also going to help to prevent cancer. This is also an awesome source of potassium. The beetroots, carrots, and apples contains high dietary fiber, which means you're going to consume less calories and your energy is going to remain high. Now, this is full of fiber, you guys, so just know this is what's going to help you to stay full faster and longer. Now, what you're going to need is a blender today. You're also going to need one whole carrot. Carrots are one powerful superfood. They are low in calories and full of fiber. 1 glass of carrot juice will keep you full until lunch, which helps you to stop from binging. Carrots also help in bile secretion, which helps to burn fat, aiding in weight loss. You're going to need at least 2 inches of your ginger root. Ginger decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and suppresses your appetite. We're going to be working with a half a lime today. If you have a lemon, that's fine. Lime helps with weight loss. It boosts your metabolism. It can help you to burn more calories and store less fat. 1 whole apple. Apples are a good source of antioxidants, fiber, and water, as well as several other nutrients. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, which means fruit like this contributes to fullness and reduced calorie intake. And your beetroot. Beets are packed with healthy minerals and vitamins and are low in calories. They also contain a moderate amount of protein and are high in fiber. Now this is already skinned. I just have to chop it up. And we're going to be working with 2 cups of our filtered water. Now this is a very simple and easy recipe because basically all you're going to do is chop everything up and put it in your blender. Okay, so let's start that right now. And we're just going to pop it into our blender cup. Okay, same thing with our ginger root. Put that also in your blender cup. Okay, now for our beets. Now beets are very staining, so just got to be very careful when you're cutting your beets. And last, we're going to decore or core our apple. Okay, so that means we're going to take the middle piece out, and you know what? Let me slice these apples up a little bit more. Easy to break down in the blender. Okay. Pop that in our blender. Lastly, we're going to take our lime and we're going to blend the juice right into the blender cup. Okay. And next you're going to take your 2 cups of water and just put that inside your cup. And now it's time to blend. Now look at that wonderful, beautiful array of colors in there. Gorgeous. Now, since I'm on a hair journey as well, I will be incorporating some MSM powder into my smoothie. The sulfur provided by MSM is required for healthy collagen and keratin, which are essential to healthy hair growth. MSM can be found in red meats, nuts, onions, and other foods. Garlic actually contains the most sulfur out of the many foods that we eat. And then I'm just going to blend this up. Okay, and there you have it, you guys. You get your favorite Big Mama or Big Daddy mug and you pour that right in. Now this made a little over 500 ml of your smoothie, but what you're going to do is you're going to drink this. Now this is a definite meal replacement smoothie. You can have this in the morning as a breakfast smoothie or a meal replacement throughout the day. But this is best in the morning as a breakfast smoothie. So this way it can start the effectiveness of detoxifying your body, removing all of that buildup stuff that might be in your body from previous nights or whatever. You understand? So this is a detoxifying smoothie. It's to help push out all of this stuff you have accumulated in your colon, in your intestines, and this is what's going to slim down your belly. Hey family, I had to come back and share this with you. Listen, when I tell you something is powerful, I mean it's powerful. This smoothie is going to have you in the bathroom. Now, I don't want you to strain it, eat the pulp along with drinking the smoothie. This is going to get rid of that stomach. Okay, it's going to empty out your belly. So just know and be aware that you will be running to the bathroom after drinking this smoothie. Okay, all right y'all, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also, you guys, check down below for the links for the personal size and the full size blender, as well as these metal reusable straws. Okay, plus more. There's so much more down there. Also, you guys, check my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care and skincare, beauty care videos, and fashion haul videos on that channel, alright? And y'all, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.